Building these things must be a logistical nightmare then, right? Correct. To date, only 1,500 have been built since the 1960s, but it's hard to compare the production rate of a plane to the production rate of a car, for example. Timing is everything when it comes to assembling the latest 747-8. The pre-manufactured components all arrive at exactly the right time, leaving the workers with just the crucial job of putting it all together. On any given shift, of which there are 3 each day, there could be up to 10,000 employees working on site. While 50 or so cities were considered when deciding where to build Boeing's largest ever factory, the company ultimately decided on